Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and in this video we are going to learn about in-place record management. Okay, we'll learn what is a record and what is an in-place record management feature, how you can enable it in SharePoint Online, what is the benefit of it. Okay, so first of all, what is a record? So record basically an item or a document which is essential for the company to maintain its auditing or to continue its legal processes or any business compliance processes. Okay, so items or any document can be declared as a record, then can be used for official purposes. Now let's understand what is in-place record management. So in-place record management is a feature in SharePoint Online which allow administrator to mark items or documents in the document library as a record so that it can be kept for auditing purposes, or it can be blocked by for the users to make unnecessary changes or unnecessary deletion. Okay, so what is the benefit of it? It allow administrator to log the document for editing or deletion. It is very easy to configure, and this is basically can be enabled on one site and multiple sites. Okay, this does not require retention labels or anything. So this is a SharePoint classic feature. Now let's see how you can enable it. So let's navigate to a SharePoint site. Okay, I am into this classic team site. This is a classic site. Okay, I am into SharePoint site settings, and let's navigate to site collection feature. There is one feature which we need to activate, which is in place record management, this one. Okay, and the moment it activated on the site collection, it also enables one more settings in the site administration settings. Okay, which is record declaration setting, this one. And when I click on record declaration settings, it will share us, or it will give us more options that how you want the record to be declared. Okay, record this restrictions. So you can see that specify record to place on document or items once it has been declared as a record. Okay, so what I want, that once the item is declared as a record, I want that no one would be able to edit the document or delete the document. Okay, so this is one setting which I'm choosing right now. I want that this record declaration setting is available across all subsites in this very team site collections. So that is why I'm choosing available in all locations by default. Okay. And what I want, that who can declare the item as a record. I want that the list administrators as in the person who has edit right or more than edit permission on the list is called list administrators. Okay, so read, view, or any below permissions then edit will not be able to make any changes, or they will not be able to declare the item as a record. And who can undeclare it? Only the list administrators. Okay, or the site administrators. So this is the settings I'm choosing right now. Once I'm okay with this, I'll simply click on OK. The setting is saved. Now, the next part is how to apply it, how to use it in a real-time scenarios. So I will just click on this new test. This is one of the test library which I have. Let's create a new document for testing purposes. I will click on Word document. Okay, I'm creating a document right now. So let's not put anything. The document is just created. Let's go back. Okay, it's not saved yet. Okay, so let's see. So now it's saved. I'll just close it. The document is created. Okay, it's a very simple document right now. What I want is that no one would be able to do anything. No one would be able to delete or edit anything into this particular file. So I'll just click on ellipsis here. I will click on more compliance details, and under this compliance details I will navigate to in place record management, which is this one. So right now it is not declared as a record, but I will declare this item as a record. Okay, so once this item is declared as a record, no one would be able to make any changes to this document. Okay, they will not be able to edit or delete the document. I'll hit close. Even I am the site administrator, I won't be able to delete this document. Right. So once the item is declared, so there will be a checkout feature. There will be a checkout feature which gets enabled, and there will be a checkout icon which starts showing up in the document. And like I said, that I won't be able to delete or anything in this document library or any item which is declared as a record. So for example, let's see, if I want to delete this document, let's click on delete. So you can see the delete is create or it is not working for me because it says that the file is checked out or logged for editing or anything. If I want to edit this document, let's open this and let me see if I can edit this document. Okay, I've opened this. So I'm trying to edit or I'm trying to make changes to it. I cannot do that. I mean, I'm not able to do that. And even you see that I cannot edit this document because it is already checked out. It is showing checked out because I have declared this as a record. Now, if I want to make changes to this document, so firstly, I need to undeclare this as a record. So I will go to more once again. Okay. And I will undeclare this document as a record from this option. Okay. So once this item is undeclared as a record, then I will be able to make changes to the document again. And I'll just refresh it. Okay, so you can see that checked out icon is nowhere, it's gone. And if I want to make changes to this document, I can do that very well. I'll just open it. Okay, you can see everything is showing up for me. Even I can make changes to the document right now. Okay, save. And again, if you want to make some changes into this record declaration settings, okay, what you can do is you can just go to this library settings, go to more library settings. Okay, there is one settings which gets added into library setting, which is record declaration setting. So this is just loading up. I will just click on this record declaration settings. Okay, so right now it says use the set collection default setting, which is already allow the manual declaration or undeclare the settings. Either you want that uh, you can choose any one of the setting, never allow the manual declaration settings. This is useful when there is a flow, there is a customized flow in place or anything like that. This comes in handy on those situations. Otherwise, recommended is this one, allow the manual declarations of setting. And if you want to declare the items automatically, so you can just select this, but keep in mind that once this declaration is added automatically, so any document which is created inside the library, it will be checked out automatically and you cannot undeclare it. So let me show you that what I mean by undeclare. I have selected this as an automatically. Okay, I will click on Word document and let's create one document quickly. Okay, so this document is created. I'm not making any changes to it. I'll just close this. I'll just refresh it. So you can see that this document is already checked out. And the moment I click on check-in, okay, I will click on check-in, right? Then it will be automatically updated as an in place, right? And if I want to undeclare this, I cannot do that. I click on compliance details, okay, and you see, I'm not getting any option of undeclared. Previously, I was getting this option. So this is how in-place record declaration setting works. Also, you can use the retention label with record declaration settings. So we'll use that. We'll use that in next videos, and I will also do a comparison video between uh, retention labels with the record center with the record and in-place record management. Okay. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Good.